हेलो दोस्तों, वानर हियर। तुम सभी का स्वागत है एक ब्रांड न्यू वीडियो में। हम लोग कंटिन्यू करने वाले पोकेमोन अनबॉर्न की सीरीज, जिसमें हमें बचाना है बोरियस सीजन को टीम शैडो से। तो बिना किसी डिले के हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं अपने वीडियो को। हम लोग सीधा बैटल करने जाते हैं। इधर ही रहेगा ना? अरे यार, ये तो इधर आ गया। रेड क्लेडोन में हैव नॉक्ड अस डाउन बिफोर, बट वी आर स्टिल नॉट गोइंग टू लेट यू थ्रू विदाउट अ फाइट। वी कैन लेट द अनबाइंडिंग वी डिस्ट्रू। ये हाँ, वो अभी कौन सा पोकेमोन सेंड कर रहा है? तू कोफे कर। अरे इजी यार, मेरे पास क्रंच। अरे यार, मैंने क्रंच में निकाल दिया था ना। मेरे काम भी वैसे है ना, ड्रैगन क्लॉ करता हूँ यार। लेकिन ये इजी है यार, ये 65 लेवल का नहीं है। ओके, क्या मम्मी, क्या अब मम्मी की एबिलिटी छोड़ो। अभी ये कौन सा पोकेमॉन सेंड कर रहा है? जल्दी करो, सेबल है। नहीं, स्विच नहीं करते, ये रखते। ओके यार, क्रंच रखना चाहिए। चल, मुझे मैं भी गलत कर दिया, क्रंच छोड़ दे यार। ये क्रंच बहुत इफेक्टिव है। ओके, अभी वे आर नॉट डन इट, इट्स माय टर्न टू टेक यू डाउन। यार ये कितने बार बार अच्छा अपना जैक्स है, अच्छी बात है। अभी हील कर लेता है मुझे। अभी फिगर मैंने अपना रियो और यूज़ किया। Warner has most important thing to do than duty. If you want to take someone, why don't you tie me on foresight? Warner, I don't know how it's possible from the way these guys have been talking. The shadow must have captured Jabul. I will take care of this wound. In the meantime, you got to stop the shadows from carrying out their unbinding. Hurry, there's no time left. Okay, जाता हूँ। अरे रुको रुको रुको, कुछ तो था उधर। ओके, यार अपना खजाना इंपॉर्टेंट है यार। नहीं, इसके लिए आता है अच्छी खासी मिलेगी, लेकिन मार्केट में अच्छी खासी कीमत है नेगेट की। रुको रुको, और एक है। हाँ ओके, जिंग यार, ये घटिया मिला। अभी किधर जाना, किधर है? अच्छा, मैं भी यार पागलों जैसी हरकत करते तो। ओके, डबल बैटर नहीं रहे, डबल बैटर नहीं। अच्छा, जैप फीडर, ये तो मेन लीडर कौन? ऑल प्रिपरेशन हैव बीन कंप्लीट जैप। You can proceed with the unbinding when ready. Thank you, Iori. Just one last thing before we get started. Marlon, where is he exactly? I'm sorry, Zeb, we still don't know where he is. Marlon वही ना जिसने अपना इसको छोड़ा था। इसको छोड़ा था, Zapdos को ही छोड़ा था ना। According to the Grunt who really was Zapdos was Marlon's of dealing with some unofficial business. The Grunt said he will be clarifying any further than I haven't heard from him either. He has been rather honest lately. I hope he hasn't gotten so cold feet now all the times. I would hate for him to miss everything we have worked so hard for. But either way, with or without him, the unbinding must proceed. Finally, the time has come to make our dreams reality. Once the dark force is on board, I shall use its power to undo the tragedies of all those years ago. And then at a long last time, his smile will finally return to me. ये हुप्पा को बुला रहा है, हाँ वही कर रहे हैं. The keeper of the storms has come forth. Okay, the scare from Rotris come forth. अभी आरती को बुलाएगा. The disciple of the ice आरती को come forth. ओके, अभी तीनों से ये बॉटल सी करेगा, अपने हुप्पा को ये करेगा ना। हाँ वही लगा। विथ थ्री स्त्री लेजेंडरी बर्ड पोकेमॉन असेंबल हियर आउटसाइड द प्रेजेंट स्टोन द सील कैन बी ब्रोकन। अभी हमें हुप्पा मिलेगा शायद। हाँ, पकड़ूंगा मैं हुप्पा को अगर मिला तो। वन विद द शैडोज, वन विद द नाइट, अ डार्क होल ट्रेस बाय अ रिंग ऑफ फ्यूरी, विद की ऑफ आइस फायर एंड लाइटिंग, लेट द सील फोर्स नो लॉन्गर बी केज। ओके, हुप्पा आ गया। आई लाश द बॉटल विद दिस द डार्क फोर्स इज माइंड टू कम ऑन। व्हाट, नथिंग इज हैपनिंग, व्हाई द बॉटल इज ओपन। मुझे लगा ही था यही विलन है करके। You, who do you think we are? Are you tampered with the unbinding? Answer me. Who, me? The name is Aklau. I am just a lowly grunt among the shadows, nothing more. Answer me question, grunt. What have you done? What I have done? यही main villain है। Say nothing. The ritual itself was complete and uninterrupted. In fact, I commend you on almost flawless execution. However, there was one key component you were missing. Missing? ये छोटे उप्पा की बात कर रहे हैं ना? And what exactly would that be? In order to release the dark force from the prison battle, naturally there needs to be somewhere for that power to go. To be accepted, you need the Pokemon that used to house the dark force. Something I noticed you are so lacking. Of course, you would have known that had I not deleted that little you flies. Honestly, I am hope you manipulated you by infiltrating your organization, but I am almost disappointed. It was lawyer be easy. And now you have played right into my hands, and I release the prison bottle for me. All this is left is for you to step aside. I shall finish the unbinding. यही मेन विलन है, बोला था ना मैंने। What? How dare you? Making a fool of you will pay for this insult. Hound him, teach this fool a lesson. Okay, Upa, वही तो है। Upa, remove that threat. यही तो है man. Impossible. Upa, the portal, so it was used to the portal, so it was you who brought Pona into this. Actually, that was Upa acting of its own accord. It knew we were about to begin the process of releasing spell, so in a futile act of desperation, if someone wanted to rescue it from me. यही main villain है। साला मुझे लगा कि अच्छा हुआ। For you see, for reason I cannot fight them, it is Wana. Now I did Hoopa prefers Azitina, and so naturally I want to see Wana eliminated. तू आजा बेटे, तुझे दिखाता हूँ साले। आजा आजा, तुझे रुक अभी। Once he is gone, Hoopa will have to ascend me as too. नहीं रे, तुझे ही मैं गायब करूँ। आजा। Only things will I finally be able to use it through power capable of moving entire land masses. I consider I can hope to fight a Pokemon like that. This is a wise decision. Now stand aside. तू आज ये तू साइड हो रे, मैं आ रहा हूँ। I'm sorry, Ivory, I couldn't finish what we started. But this is not dead and we will find another way to bring them back. And now let me main event begin. Hooper, the time has come. Your true power is about to be released from the prison bed. And as your trainer, I am fully capable to रुक के साले तुझे मैं बताता हूँ. At last I have waited so long. मुझे अब तेरे में इतनी खुन्नस भरी है ना, तुझे ऐसा घड़ गोली मारूंगा ना तुझे. रुक, तुझे ना गार्ड चौक से ही खिलाऊंगा. तू आज गार्ड चौक का नाश्ता बनेगा. रुक. At last I have waited so long for this moment. Hooper, the seal of your power has finally been broken. Hoo. Oklo, tell me, what reason could you have done if we share a common girlfriend as we can work together? Fool, our goals are inevitable at odds. I am descended of the so-called foreign king from the Great War. My goal is simply to finish that study and win the war. With Hooper's power now on board, I will bring the weapon he created and use it to rain fire and destruction across borders. And finally, suffering can be ended. रुक ना बताता हूँ मैं. पागल, रुक, आजा. मैं तुझे कुछ तो दिखाऊंगा. रुक. तुम मेरे इतनी दिमाग में जा रहे हैं ना अभी. Now tell me, Jeff, what are your goals? My goals, there was only one. I always keep 4.10. It was to see my little boy. भाई ये तो अपना जेफ टू भाई बहुत अच्छा निकला यार. What a waste such great power for such a mere being. यार ये मार खाएगा यार, ये बहुत दिमाग खराब करे. ये मर भी जाए ना तो मुझे परवाह नहीं है. अपना ये कौन है, अकलाव साला. You look ambitious, Jeff. Enough of this. Remove yourself from my presence. The shadows are finished. It is the time for boys to see the light of dawn. But first, I see that your guest of honor is going to join. रुक मेरी गॉड, मुझे भेजो ना यार तुम लोग. मुझे इससे बैटल करनी है. Just bring him on me. भाई ग्रंट्स अभी आया ना, अभी रुक तुझे दिखाता हूँ. It's truly so surprising that you and I both know that you are not the ultimate authority. I have gone above you. I have spoken with Faye and she has agreed that as long as I provide her with small sample of Hooper's power to study, I will be granted control for Shadow Branch to do as I please. But this is I found that company and this branch was only allowed to exist because I approved it. I may have retired and ended the reins, but that doesn't mean I can simply be reversed. And I added a deal which I need to remind you to excuse Jeff, and no one is irreplaceable in an organization, not you know. But enough of this. Nothing you can say will change the outcomes of this event. And now, one hour, I can finally have the certificate. ये तुझे क्या लगता है मैं ऐसे खाली फूके खड़ा हूँ? भाई आजा, मुझे एलिमिनेट कर दे भाई प्लीज़ एलिमिनेट कर दे. रुक ना, मैं तुझे तो दिखाता हूँ. मेरे पॉकेमॉन भी खड़े हैं तेरे लिए. दो लेजेंडरी रखा है मैंने अपनी टीम में. तेरी ऐसी बैंड बजाऊंगा ना. You're very finished out this and cannot have you become a nuisance to myself. ऊपर someone Pokemon to crush this. यार Pokemon क्यों समन कर यार? ये तो गलत बात है. बंदे ने सीधा हो कोई समन कर, इसको पकड़ सकता हूँ क्या वैसे में? ओके, पकड़ूँ क्या इसको? क्यूब से पकड़ सकता हूँ इसको? देखते यार, ट्राई करने में क्या जाता है क्यूब को. अरे यार नहीं कर सकता तो क्या करूँ, बैटल ही करना पड़ेगा ना यार. लेकिन मेरे भाई ये तो बहुत वीक निकलेगा मेरे इसमें. ग्राइडर रेस बच चल जा यार. मुझे ओवर लेवल करना चाहिए था. एक्स्ट्रा सेंचुरी एकदम घटिया थे केस ने. ड्रैगन क्लॉ से ख़त्म करते ना. ओके, अभी इसका भाई एक्सपी तो खतरनाक मेरी एक्सपी बढ़ गई, मुझे टेंशन नहीं. लेकिन यार अपना शेरू भाई खतरनाक भी किसी दूर है. अब बोल द हो फ्लू बैक इन द पोर्टल. व्हाट यू एक्चुअली डिफीटेड इज समवन अनदर रोपर. अबे यार तू कुछ नहीं करा इसको. यार मैंने अपना गार्चम को क्यों निकाला यार इससे? मैंने गलत किया. मैंने गार्चम को ये देना चाहिए था मुझे. मुँह क्या बोल रहे उसको, क्रंच मुँह खाली फूकर निकाला मैंने अपने गार्चम से. यार ये रिकवर भी तो कर रहा है भड़वा. फायर फैंग कर ले. लगे यार मेरे पास ऐसा कुछ पोकेमॉन नहीं है जो इससे हरा सके. फिर है शेरो, कुछ तो काम कर तू. अब क्या करे? कॉस्मिक और सनस्टील बीम. शेरू प्लीज़ शेरू तू ही मेरी आखिरी उम्मीद है यार. शेरू तो इतनी कम अटैक करेगा तो ऐसे थोड़ी ना होगा. फिर भी जितनी HP जा रही इतनी देते ना. क्रंच मुँह खाली फूकर रहता है. मैंने क्रंच मुँह रखना चाहिए था मुझे. गलत किया मैंने वो. शेरू बस एक लास्ट हिट ले. यस, बस ये रिकवर ना. शेरू कॉस्मिक पावर नहीं यार, घटिया मुँह. ओके अभी शेरू, अभी रुको, अभी मेरे पास कुछ तो आइडिया है. अभी हाँ, अभी इसको बेचते ना. अपनी मीटियोर मैच से ख़त्म कर देगा भाई. अच्छा ब्रेन यूज़ किया मैंने अपना शेरू ने, लेकिन अच्छा किया लेजेंडरी की वजह से. यार एक और पोकेमॉन लेना चाहिए था. अपना 59 लेवल्स को गया. क्या मूव सीख रहे? लैंड स्वेट क्या है? द यूज़र क्या ओके किस. अरे मेरे पास क्रंच था ना इसके पास. मैं भी क्या आदमी हूँ यार, इसको भेजना चाहिए था. ओके अभी अगला कौन सा पोकेमॉन है? Lugia flew back into the portal. Is that truly your best superpower? As I should have simply done it myself. Why you have been an expert for too long. However, now matter how strong you become, I still have my trump card. क्या इसके बाद trump card? When I was granted control of this guns, it came with a requirement. Beneficial seem to have taken an interest in you, which is why I have been instructed to seal you inside this very cube. ये मुझे seal कर रहा है? Now you can't be said this cube will never accept you organic matter. I will know. I built a different security measure. I said, hey, you really have not kept yourself to speed since you it Faye has done. ये Faye मैन हुए ने वो कहते ना अपने ही धोखा देते सही बोलते हैं. Marvelous work on a special cube offer. So what's careful? They watch us offer innovation as Akra. Don't proceed with this. What you're attempting could very well end Wana's life. If that's truly is the case, whether he goes now or when the weapon is fired, make no difference to me. And before you think you can escape this Wana, be aware. I know where your mother lives. I cannot guarantee your safety. So you attack me or flee. क्या बंदे यार मेरी माँ पे करे इतना इतना लीचड़ आदमी कितना लीचड़ है यार शी लूट सो यू कोई इतना नीच कैसे हो सकता है. गुड सो यू विल बी कोऑपरेटेड एंड दिस इज गुड बाय वन वे वी नेवर मीट अगेन. ओके यार इसने तो मुझे इधर पहुँचे दे. अभी क्या इधर करना है क्या? ओके किधर आगे जीरांटी ना मिलता है ना इधर. लेकिन मैं हील कैसे होगा? तो यार ये वीडियो को एंड करते हैं ना इधर ही. हाँ वही लग रहा है. तो मैं इधर से जाऊँगा कैसे? कुछ तो होगा इधर से. अरे अच्छा हाँ ऐसे जा सकता हूँ ना मैं. हाँ रुको. ओके तो हम लोग पहुँच गए इधर. अपने ये मालूम यार साइंटिस्ट कौन है? ये अच्छा साइंटिस्ट है ये. और अपना मालूम है यही साइड से रेड का पापा है. तो इनसे बात करते हैं ना अभी साइड से. हाँ कुछ तो मिलेगा सोल्यूशन. आई कैन बिलीव माई आइज. यू आर माई सन वन. अच्छा ये मेरे पापा. ओ माई गॉड अभी पता चला मुझे. नो मैटर हाउ ओल्ड यू गेट आई विल ऑलवेज टेक अ यू. ओ दे गॉट यू टू. हाँ मालन हाउ डू यू नो Martin, how do you know my son? We have run into each other a few times now. Your son seems to have the same sense of justice as you, always running blindly when he is not wanted. And then I guess you turned out just as I hope you will, Warner. I am so proud of you. I am at loss for words. Oh, watch out. You need to be mindful of your surrounding. Warner, items from many different trainers are constantly arriving, so you can never know when it's all coming to come flying out of nowhere. But for now, I think we are in the clear. These platforms are usually safe for us to stand on. Now, okay, not that they are meant for us, of course. As I am sure you guys, this place was dispelled. Sending these people here is something that shouldn't be not been possible. Oh, I forgot to ask, how did you find the peer to and did the Hoopa ever make contact with? Marlon tells me it's been 60 years since I was traveling here, so you must have seen Hoopa by now. Oh, poor Hoopa. I never intended for that to happen. I was trying to protect it when I threw it the ocean, but it seemed it ended up in danger anyway. Marlon, from what I understand, the Shadow Warrior project is still ongoing. 16 years ago, and you continue to inflict such cruelty on both people and Pokemon. We were desperate arrows, and there's no denying the improve with the experience. We are getting so close. I know your intentions were good, Marlon, but even the worst of men had good intentions at one point. And unfortunately, the harm you inflict outweighs the good you thought you would bring about with your action. Why can't you see that? Of course, I am aware of harm we caused. Were it up to me, our research would have been restricted to Pokemon that would have been hurt by the process. Oh. But face the insisted we branch out of those different species of Pokemon. That which वही चुड़ैल साली. She is the reason I am even in here at all. I know from the moment she was hoping she saw Hoopa that she had a growing obsession with. That's why I cast Hoopa Pokeball out to see trying to put it in out of her reach. When I met with her on the bridge that day, she asked about Hoopa. I tried to play it cool, saying I no longer had it. When she heard that, she took a cube from her pocket and well, wait, was it because I opposed the Shadow Warrior project? After I discovered this accident, I secretly began to sabotage you work night after night. But now that can't be. I should even be alive at that case. Whatever your reasoning was, she certainly didn't tell us anything. We weren't even aware you were. मुझे लगता है रेड का ही पप्पा. You were alive, Marlon अपना. If you can call this living, we are nothing but data right now. So are we really alive? How do we know we aren't copies of our real self and our physical bodies are gone forever? What's going on? Oh, that what every so often. If the cube is about to being the starting process, soon we will be whisked away to some other cube with it. You will get to it eventually. Eventually, don't tell me we are trapped yet. Either here or nowhere. If there was, I'd be free myself over Marlon. I tried everything, so unless you have thought of something, I haven't better get used to your new digital life. It's not all bad though. At least we don't need to eat or sleep. I really wish I could have gotten to know you better, or maybe if we get lucky we will mind up together again someday. It can't be. Is that a cube version 3? It is. Marlon, do you have one too? I do, yes. But what does that have to do with? I think I know how to free you, but only if I write about this place being a thorough a cube. I am pretty sure I am thought when I was first sent here the place was divided. The cube wasn't clear only just been revealed to the public, but no one had access to it. It didn't take long to figure out it being trapped in a more advanced cube. I came up with a plan for free myself. But my own cube and outdated version too. But as for you, I think this can work. What do you need to do, Aras? Hurry up, we can't have much time left. Hand me your cube. I will make the necessary modifications for your script. If I am correct, opening your cubes in here will cause a chain reaction. Once that will forcibly eject you from your cube space. Are you sure about this, Aras? Will this actually break us out? Either death or your digital self will be destroyed forever. No biggie. Don't worry, I rather you survival odds has been higher than not. Oh, that's comforting. You will have to rush the Pokemon with your turn into Shadow World and you will end the Shadow project once and for all. कुछ बोलने था? Alright, you have my word. I doubt I will be making any more as it. The fact I trapped here clearly showed the shadow. Yeah, the fact I trapped here clearly showed the Science Society has terminated our partnership. But what about you? Are you not coming with us? I can't. At least not without a cube version of 3 my. In order for me to escape someone out of the outside has to let me out. I wish we had more time to talk. If only we were meeting under the better circumstances. I will keep this brief helmet and the shadow warrior present. From what I remember, they have highly sensitive light, so expressing a full lay their souls to. And overall, I say, but the longer its power remains unbound, the more it lessens to send for self. Convert this power and you can return it to how it used to be. Alright, I will send you coordinates to Cinder Volcano. If you make it out, it should take long for you not to reach the shadow. And as a thanks in advance, I took the liberty of giving back to what lost because of them. No, that should be impossible. Never mind, you are running out of time. You have to go now. Or else I promise I will end this. And when I do, I wish you I will return for. I swear. Goodbye, Marlan Rohana. Don't forget what you promised me. ओके हम लोग आगे हम लोग ने स्किप कर दिया. ओके तो अभी वीडियो को एंड करते हैं ना. हाँ अभी बहुत हो गया यार, मेरा गला दुखने लगा बात करते करते. तो अगर दोस्त हम लोग अभी बदला लेंगे उससे. उसका नाम क्या था? उसका एरोलॉक कुछ तो था ना. उस बनने से उसने मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा भीतर है ना, वो एक नंबर का लालची लबाड़ आदमी है. इतना नीच कोई हो ही नहीं सकते जितना वो मैंने आज तक का पोकेमॉन इसमें देखा. तो मैं उसको भी ज़रूर हराएंगे. और अगर तुम लोग ने वीडियो एंड तक देखा होगा तो लास्ट तक एंजॉय किया होगा तो लाइक करना, शेयर करना और तुम्हारा फेवरेट पार्ट क्या था कमेंट करना मत भूलो. और मुझे बताना कि मैं क्या इंप्रूव कर सकता हूँ वीडियो में. चलो फिर दोस्तों, टेक केयर, बाय बाय.